Okay, we got some more nasty ass weather here in Ohio, so we're going out to get some calzones from Papa John's, and hopefully we'll make it back somewhat alive. Okay, right now we're trying to get out of the snow by going faster and backwards.
Hey, I am an expert on this shit.
All right, that's our lovely driver Marty.
You know, 20 years living in the country, back when Ohio had real weather, it's taught me just about every trick of driving in this crap.
All right,
With a boat.
with a boat.
Yeah, I won't guarantee what would happen if I was in some small, crappy little metro.
All right.
Yeah. Then you just get out, pick up your metro, and walk home. If that don't work, you just pick it up, crumple it up like a tin can, throw it in the ditch, like it's done.
All right, there we got the classic guy in the shorts, which we probably can't see. We'll just edit that out. Yeah, not too bad. Route 79, kind of north.
Kind of odd that all the slush and snow and crud back there was melting, and then out here none of it is.
Okay, Marty, just for like dramatic effect, can you do a spin out?
Oh yeah, I could.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm trying to top the record at 27.
That's what I'm taking raw for wrestling.
Yeah, the wrestling video.
How'd you leg weight?
Some WW Raw or something.
I'm surprised you only got 27 minutes on.
You're right. We have managed to drive the mile to the Papa John's. Parking lot. And we made it.
There you have it.
Alright, to prove that we actually went out for a good reason, there's our 3 calzones. As we're under a level 5 death snow watch here in Licking County.
Yeah, I'd like to. We'll see. It should be alright. According to what they said on the weather, you know.
Cars. Yeah. Okay. I guess they're not in a few hours. That's a little bit impossible.
Yes. Sure is.
Alright, still making it, still alive. That's right, don't pull out in front of us because slippery ice, we can stop fast.
We can. Stop fast, especially when we slam into the car. Like, go.
Office Depot lets us close also, but that's probably because they always sold nothing but crap. Overpriced crap. There's Best Buy. Can't say they sell crap, they sell some stuff. And also, we are stopping to pick up Sean some cigarettes, so we had 2 reasons to go out in the storm.
Yeah, some soda for the guys.
Yep.
Wow, no, 75.
Better.
Like, winter storm! No winter storm around the Titans. Lower the price. Maybe lower the price.
much here. The solid roads of ice out there. It's very mysterious.
Yes, it is. Well, maybe the mayor lives on this street and they like salt and plow it.
No, this road definitely didn't get salt or plowed. Well, it might got plowed
last time.
a little bit.
They did actually put salt in and plowed it.
And how many people does it take to clean windows? 3. 1 to do the work and 2 to watch. And comment about how cold it is. Where me and Sean had class, we sat inside the living room and made no comments about partying.
Indeed.
You know,
And we have successfully returned from our pizza run.